Sweet, smoky, and a little bit spicy, these mini waffle bites are the ultimate finger food for entertaining this holiday season. So let's start off with our hot honey smoked salmon by Ducktrap. Crafted from premium Atlantic salmon, this smoked salmon brings together a gentle heat, a touch of sweetness, and a smooth, smoky depth. Let's start off with our chive waffles, but if you don't have the time to make chive waffles from scratch, not a worry. You know what these guys are. These are those mini waffles that you find in the frozen aisle. It works in a pinch. Not a problem. Just toast them up and you're set to go. But if you're like me and you have a little bit of time to make it a little more elevated, we're going to make those chive waffles. And for that, we're going to be using this, a mini waffle maker to make customized chive waffles. For that chive waffle batter, we're going to be mixing in a bowl flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Whisk that together, set it aside, and in a separate bowl, we're going to add some buttermilk, an egg, melted butter, whisk that again. Go ahead and fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined. Now we're going to stir in these chives. I've preheated my mini waffle press, oiled it lightly, and add a small spoonful of the batter inside of the molds. In about 3 to 4 minutes, you'll get this golden, crispy waffle. Okay, let's set that aside and make our candied bacon. Again, if you don't have the time to make candied bacon, not a problem, just use crumbled bacon that you can find in any supermarket. But I like to caramelize and candy my bacon. And here's how I do it. Place some bacon slices on top of parchment paper. I'm gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on this, a little bit of honey, and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until crispy and caramelized. You want to make sure that this bacon cools completely because you want it to be extra crumbly and crispy. Okay, now take them and chop them up, and we're ready to put these together. The chive waffle goes first, a little spread of whipped cream cheese, and the star of our show, the Ducktrap Hot Honey Smoked Salmon. You'll notice these beautiful red specks of pepper with that warm honey flavor. Fold these into rounds and layer it on top of the cream cheese. Now we top it with some crumbled caramelized bacon and some more chives to make it pop. Crisp chive waffles topped with Ducktrap's new hot honey salmon and a crumble of candied bacon bring holiday brunch and festive snacking together in one irresistible bite. Yum.